My dear students, hope you all are well. This is Shetu Mitra, lecturer, Department of Agriculture Studies, Milestone College, Uttara Dhaka. Now, you all are welcome to my today's discussion.
Today we will discuss about chapter 4 section 2 from second paper, and the name of the chapter is afforestation and the name of the section is types of forest. Learning outcome. After completing today's lesson, you are able to know about the classification of forest and their characteristics and comparison, and the necessity and beneficiaries of social forest and steps of social afforestation program, and board coming and other important knowledge based, comprehensive based, and multiple choice questions and answers from this topic. Types of forest. According to the origin or based on origin, forests are of two types. One is natural forest and another one is artificial forest. The example of natural forest is Sundarban and the example of artificial forest is Kara forest as Cox's Bazar. Then the based on location and distribution, forests are of 5 types. One is hilly forest, then plainland forest, then mangrove forest, then social forest, and then agroforest. Mainly agroforest is one type of social forest. And the based on government nomenclature, the forests are of 6 types, that is reserve forest, acquired forest, vested forest, protected forest, of the khas land forest, and unclassed estate forest. Now the hilly forest. Mainly the forest which is grown naturally in the hills of our country are called hilly forest. Hills forest cover most of the forest area of Bangladesh. The area of hill forest is 13.16 lakh hectares, and the distribution of this forest is mainly Bandarban, Khagrachuri, Rangamati, that is the hill tract districts, and Sylhet and Chittagong are most lighter. Generally, many types of plants are found in hilly forest like teak, chapalish, gorchon, bamboo. These are the main plants. And the main animals of this forest is elephant, bear, fox, etc. And also monkey. Different birds and insects are also present here. Here you can see two images. First one is the main plants of hilly forest, that is teak plant, and second one is the main animal of hilly forest, that is elephant. Plainland forest. Forest which is grown on the plain highland is called plainland forest. In our country, some place of Dhaka, Mymensingh, Bhawan, Madhupur, Sherpur, Rangpur, Dinajpur, Rajshahi, and Kumilla are the place of plainland forest. The area of plainland forest is 1.25 lakh hectares. The main trees or main plant of plainland forest is shal, gojari, koroi, shishum, jarul, etc. But unfortunately, people are cutting down trees of the forest at an alarming rate. That's why the area is decreasing. And the main animals of this forest is rabbit, squirrel, bird, snake, etc. Mainly people are using the trees or their fuel, making house. That's why animal and birds are decreasing from the plainland forest day by day. Here you can see the main plant or main trees of plainland forest, that is shal. And then you can see an image of monkey and squirrel. These are the animals of plainland forest. Mangrove forest. Mangrove forest is the forest which may mostly stay submerged in saline water. The mangrove forest in our country is found in the coastal areas in the district of Satkhira, Khulna, Bagherhat, Borguna. Sundarban is the only mangrove forest of Bangladesh, and it is our natural heritage, internationally national heritage. In fact, Sundarban is the largest mangrove forest of the world. Its area is 6.107 lakh hectares, which is of 4.07% of our country and 39% of the total forest area. Different characteristics are found in mangrove forest, that is viviparous germination and shrubs and bushes of 334 and 269 kinds of animals are found in Sundarban. The main trees of Sundarban is Sundari, Keora, Goran, Golpata, and the main animal of Sundarban is the famous Royal Bengal tiger, world famous, then the deer, monkey, pythons, crocodile, etc. Here you can see the Sundari plant of Sundarban and the Golpata, that is nipa palm of mangrove forest. Here Sundari plant with its aerial root. Here you can see the Royal Bengal tiger and the deer, which are the main animal of mangrove forest or Sundarban. And the third image you can see viviparous germination. Viviparous germination means the seed germinate while attached with the plant. And in the fourth image you can see a honeycomb, and many people go Sundarban to collect honey. Social forest. Social forest is the forest, that is the management of forest for the benefits of local communities, and the objective of social forest is to improve the rural environment and social development. Mainly social forest has expanded widely in Bangladesh in 18s. One of the important factors of social forest is that the rural people can directly take part in growing these kinds of forest for earning their livelihood, even in the rare places of natural hill forest and plainland forest. And mainly many types of forest are trees can grow in these types of forest, and lots of plants are grown in the homestead or institutional sites or roadsides or unused land other than the natural forest. It is called social forest. Types of social forest. Mainly social forest are of two types. Here the first one is homestead forest. Mainly this forest is established around the homeyard or around near the homeyard a farm. Here mainly fruit types plants are planted like mango, jackfruit, guava, etc. And this forest established for the demand for family. And second one is agroforest. Mainly the main objective of agroforest is the positive interaction between two systems. That is, one is tree type plants are planted around the crop field or middle of crop field. The types of social forest. Here you can see another two types of social forest, that is extension forest and another one is community forest. Extension forest mainly the forest which are established on the side of railway or roadside or side of canals or rivers. Here you can see a image of extension forest, and another is the community forest or institutional forest. Mainly community forest is very popular in Bangladesh. Many places where community forests are established. Here you can see an image of community forest. Board multiple choice questions. Here you can see some board question, that is which is artificial forest, and it came in all about 2019. The options are mangrove forest, plainland forest, social forest, shal forest. As you know, social forest is directly established by the social members and beneficiaries. That's why the artificial forest will be the social forest. And the second question is who are worked in social forest? Definitely some members of society, but not all members in society. beneficiaries, member of forest department and any labor. So the answer will be the beneficiaries. Here you can see a STEM based multiple choice questions. The STEM is college student planted many trees in different educational institution, homestead areas, side of road and railway. These characteristics are the characteristics of social forest, and it came in all board 2017. And the question is, which type of forest are mentioned in the STEM? So the answer will be the social forest. And then necessity of this type of forest is employment, established forest resources, maintaining the balance of the environment. So you knew that these type characteristics are of social forest. So the answer will be D, 1, 2 and 3. Here another STEM based board coming question. The STEM is Johnny in the inhabitant of North Bengal. He went to visit southwest areas of Bangladesh and saw a different type of forest. Here some small and big rivers are flowing in the forest, while roots of many trees come out penetrating the ground, and it came in Allboard 2018. The question is, what kind of forest seen by Johnny? You already noticed that here some characteristics are found mangrove forest. So this forest must will be the mangrove forest, and the answer will be C. The another question is the characteristics of the forest seen by Johnny. Saline forest, vapora germination, pneumatophore root system, and these characteristics are also the characteristics of mangrove forest. That is, mangrove forest is a saline based forest or saline forest, and vivipara germination are found on mangrove forest, and pneumatophore root system are also found on mangrove forest. So the answer will be T, 1, 2 and 3. Here you can see some knowledge based question, mainly board coming knowledge based question, that is, what is agroforest, what is social forest, what is mangrove forest, and similar type question, that is, what is hilly forest, what is plainland forest. So here you should write only the definition of this, that is, what is agroforest. Here you should write only the definition of agroforest. And then what is social forest? Here the answer will be the same. That is, when lots of plants are grown in the homestead, institutional premise, roadsides, unused land and other than the natural forest, then it is called social forest. And must remember, social forest is an artificial forest. Then what is mangrove forest? The forest which mostly stays submerged in saline water is called mangrove forest, and it is a natural forest. Then what is hilly forest and what is plainland forest? Hilly forest means the forest which is grown naturally in the hills of our country are called hilly forest, and plainland forest, the forest which is grown on plain highland, are called plainland forest. They are also natural forest. Here is some important another knowledge based question, that is, how many million hectares of forest land is present in Bangladesh, and the answer is 22.5 lakh hectares, which is an example of natural forest, that is hilly forest Sundarban, and also plainland forest, and which is an example of artificial forest, that is social forest, and mainly which is an example of social forest, that is, the types of social forest is the answer of this question. Agricultural forest, roadside forest, railway forest, dam forest, homestead forest. And then the example of forest in tropical, evergreen and deciduous forest, that is the forest in the hilly area of Sylhet. In which forest most trees are evergreen and deciduous. Mainly in hilly forest the plants are evergreen. What are the main trees and animals of hilly forest? You already know that the main trees of hilly forest is segun or teak, mahogany, jarul, and the main animals are elephant, monkey, deer. Which forest is called shal forest? Basically, shal forest is an example of plainland forest. So, the answer will be plainland forest. Then, what type of soil present in mangrove forest? You know that mangrove forest is present in the coastal region of Bangladesh. That's why saline water always present here. So, the soil is salty soil. Which forest plants have aerial oak and new metaphor germination? This is the characteristics of mangrove forest. So the answer will be the mangrove forest. Here, what type of plants are planted in agricultural forest? Mainly some plants are planted in agricultural forest in the middle portion or in gap. That is the date palm or babla. This type of trees are planted in agricultural forest. Then what kind of forest comprises the most of the total forest area of our country? The answer will be the hilly forest. Which of the following is an artificial forest? Mainly social forest is a man-made forest, so the answer will be social forest. Which is the main tree of man-made coastal forest? In coastal forest, the main trees are Sundari, Gawa, Kaura, Golpata, and for man-made coastal forest, mainly Kaura trees are planted. So the answer will be Kaura. The main tree of plainland forest. You already know that the another name of plainland forest or the another name of shal forest is plainland forest. Mainly, shal forest is an example of plainland forest. That's why the main tree of plainland forest is shal or gojari. What are the main animals of the plainland forest? Mainly in plainland forest, owls, foxes, monkeys, snakes are found. Whose forest is called mangrove forest? That is, what is an example of mangrove forest? In our country, the Sundarban is the main example of mangrove forest, or another name of Sundarban is mangrove forest. What are the main trees of Sundarban? The main trees of Sundarban is Sundari. Mainly Sundarbans are named for this trees. What are the main animals of Sundarban? The great Royal Bengal tiger, deer, monkey, snake, crocodile, etc. Which forest is recognized as World Heritage Site by UNESCO? And the answer is mangrove forest or Sundarban forest. Which forest soil is saline and alkaline? Mangrove forest, as mangrove forest present in the coastal area near the Bay of Bengal. That's why the saline water always present in mangrove forest. In which year social forest activities started in Bangladesh in 1967, and the community forestry project was first launched in which year? And the answer is 1980. Now some comprehensive based question, that is the explain the types of forest according to the origin and based on location and distribution or based on government nomenclature. This question is important for your exam. Firstly, the types of forest according to the origin. So according to the origin, the forest are of two types, that is natural and artificial, and then based on location, that is hilly forest, plainland forest, mangrove forest, social forest, and based on government nomenclature, forests are of 6 types: reserve, protective, acquired, wasted, obata, and unclassed. So the answer will be this. And what is hilly forest? Explain. Here you should write first the definition of hilly forest, then some example and characteristics. Then explain the characteristics of plainland forest. Here you should first write the definition of plainland forest and then some characteristics with example. Then how mangrove forest can identify. Basically, mangrove forest has some special characteristics, that is pneumata for germination, and their root system are aerial root system, and they are mainly present in the coastal region. So the forest where these type characteristics are present, then the forest can identify it as mangrove forest. So Here you should write first the definition and then the special characteristics. Here explain the objectives of social forest or why social forest is necessary. So the two question answer is more or less similar. That is why social forest is necessary. Mainly one important factor or characteristics of social forest is the rural people or poor people can directly take part of social forest. They can growing many types of plants in these types of forest, and they can earn their livelihood from this forest, and it is better. Then they explain the characteristics of agroforest. Agroforest is one type of social forest, and where in agroforest mainly there are two pattern or two types of plants are grown. One is locally agricultural plant, and then another is trees. How leadership can be created among rural women through social forest. Many social forest rural peoples are participate, and then if rural women are participate, they can also create leadership. Explain the types of social forest. Mainly social forests are of four types. That is homestead forest, and then the railway or roadside or dam forest, then the institutional forest, and then the agroforest. Mainly these are the types of social forest. Dear students, that's all for today's lesson. If you have any queries, any question, ask your subject teacher. They must help you. Dear students, that's all for today's lesson. Thank you all.